Hello, this is Prematurely. So today we're going to be talking about premature graying. What's premature graying? Everybody knows that some people are more genetically prone to graying earlier than some others. But then there's some people that are not supposed to be graying as early as they are, but then they are. So that's premature graying. And you see this video is backed by some clinical research I've done recently. Right? So I read some clinical materials where, they did some clinical trials on patients that had lung cancer with immunotherapy. And the immunotherapy did something really curious. It reversed the hair of the patient. So their hair was formerly gray. So because of the immunotherapy, their hair became black. That alone is curious question. Why would their hair turn black? Because of immunotherapy. A hair that was previously all white turns back to black or a darker shade because of immunotherapy. That shows you that the immunotherapy did something to the melanin, helped melanin growth one way or the other. And that's the reason why their hair started growing. So it's important to know that melanin is what gives our skin, our hair, our eyes the pigmentation that it does. So melanin is actually what protects our hair and gives our hair the color. So if you have a darker hair color, it means that you have more melanin than someone who has a lighter hair color. Essentially, when you start to gray, it just means that the melanin is reducing. It's not as much as it used to be. And then that is when you start to experience graying. But then there are some things, external factors and things that we do that actually make us gray faster than we should. And then there are some things that we can do that can also help to reverse graying. And here we're talking about natural remedies now, strictly natural. Although there are other remedies that are not natural, but here we're focused on totally natural remedies that you can use to reverse graying. So stay tuned.